I didn't trust Coach Rob. I didn't trust Coach Rob till after I came back from the Olympics.
That's wild, bro.
And then,
That's wild. That's a long time, bro.
And I feel like it showed though. You see why though. I mean, not see why, but you see. When I did start trusting Coach Rob, you see like the performance, how drastically it changed. Because I didn't run 7.5. I didn't run 7. My PR was 7.59.
Yeah.
For 2 years. Because I didn't run 7.5 at all sophomore year.
Yeah.
I started trusting Coach Rob after I came back from the Olympics. 7.52. I feel good, bro. I feel like this year I came with a different mindset. Last year I think was a good year, despite me getting hurt.
Yeah.
But I think what separated me this year was just mental, bro.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like I lack a lot of like confidence the last 3 years.
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I'm kind of biased in a sense, but I really want you to win, bro. I feel like you've been here, like, and everyone has won except you.
Yeah, I feel like from day one I stepped here at Texas, like I feel like I always shadow someone.
Yeah.
There's always second.
You don't always wonder if I feel that though.
Trust me, I've been feeling from day one. I'm like, damn.
For real.
First it was Caleb.
Yeah.
I think it was my first 2 years. Yeah, it's my first 2 years. And then last year was Molly.
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, I gotta separate myself some way.
Yeah, bro.
I have the physicalities, but it's just mental, bro. That's the only thing was be stopping me for real, bro.
Yeah, but how can you be mental if you already won like World Juniors? You know what I mean?
That is true though. But you know what's so crazy?
Yeah.
Bro, I'd be more nervous or like doubtful at collegiate meets.
Then
Bro, I've been to the Olympics and I was not afraid.
Really?
World Juniors, I was not afraid. NACA was never afraid. It's every time I have a competition, NCAA. Me and Coach are still trying to like figure out like why. I don't know, bro. You know, like, because obviously coming from like the Caribbean, like your biggest meet gonna be internationally, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then obviously like locally it's just compete against people in your country. But I was always the best in like in my age category, 9 times out of 10, but like when I came here, I was like, fuck, you competing against the best of the best every single meet.
Yeah.
And then when you go to Olympics, it's like, I have nothing to lose. The only thing I'm competing for is me and then my country. Well, hell, I feel like it's more of a team environment, so it's more pressure.
Yeah.
Whereas like when you go to like international meets like Olympics and World Juniors, it's like me. The only person who's putting pressure on myself is me. Here it's just like, you don't let the team down.
Yeah.
You're trying to win a national trying to win Big 12s, teams. It's like, you have to contribute. So I think that's kind of build some type of pressure in itself.
So you did feel like you're going to get that pressure coming in?
No.
Like from freshman year?
My freshman year, I think it went so smoothly, my freshman year, because I didn't have no expectations. Obviously, I didn't run indoor a day in my life. So I just came in, I'm like, I'm just going to give it my best. You know what I mean? Like, and I think I didn't know no indoor times either.
Yeah.
So I was just running. And like, when I ran that 7.5, I was like, oh, you run 7.5? You know this 7.5? I'm like, I don't know what 7.5 is. And then Coach was telling me that's the school record. I'm like, shoot, I gotta be fast.
Hold on, did you run the school record first year?
Yeah, that's my third meet, bro.
I didn't know that.
And you know what's so crazy? A lot of people don't know, but in the fall, obviously I went World Juniors in August.
Yeah.
I tore my quad in October.
Really?
So I had a month off. I didn't train September. Come back
here?
October.
When I come here?
No, don't forget I came in January.
True.
So I was at home. I tore my quad in October. September I was out because I was resting from World Juniors. I tore my quad in October. I was out for like a month and a half. So on actuality, I only went over 42. It's like 2 weeks before I came to school in December.
Yeah.
So I had no fall base. I came in January. I didn't even know Coach Rob was gonna let me run because he already know I tore my quad. So obviously they actually reevaluate my quad and see how everything was. And he's like, okay, we're gonna let you run like second meet. I think it was the second meet. I got cleared. I ran 7.7. I think I ran 7.9. I'm like, damn. Then I came back, ran 7.7. Went to Albuquerque, ran 7.7. Came back, 7.5.
Yeah, easy.
But the thing is, like, after this day, I still don't even know how I did that, bro. I think it was just like fresh, like you say, fresh. I had no expectation. Just went in there and just ran.
Yeah.
And that's what you're trying to tell some of the freshmen here too. I say, but at the end of the day, it's good to have expectations, but you can't have too much.
Yeah, true.
Too much, you know what I mean? Because you can get lost in expectations sometimes too. But obviously, outdoor started to come up for me too because obviously I know what outdoor times look like.
Yeah, see,
I think first me I ran like 13. I'm like, damn. But I actually catch myself. I think it was Big 12s. I ran 13-4. Made it nationals my freshman year.
Yeah.
And then obviously my came in sophomore year. Obviously I see what I did my freshman year, so I came in sophomore year with expectations. That's when I started to like crumble a little bit.
Yeah.
I didn't run 7.5 at all my sophomore year. I think it's run 7.6. Yeah. The whole year. I came second again at Big 12s. Made the nationals for the both though, 60 on the 60 hurdles.
Yeah.
The first time I did that, I didn't did it last year, but It was actually good that Coach Rob allowed me to sprint first time because obviously he didn't let me sprint my first year because obviously I just came off an injury.
Yeah.
And I actually get to see some good things in that 60. I think I'm 657.
Not bad.
657. That's good.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something. If you don't know who this is, you're gonna know. Antoine Andrews, Bahamian. You have national record, right?
Yeah, junior and senior.
Junior and they don't have a senior record. Junior and senior national record holder in the 110-meter hurdles, World Junior Champion. And honestly, when I'm on them to look out for this year, why am I talking about that? One of the first things to look out for this year in the NCAA, and maybe we can call it if you have enough points to go to the World Champion.
I think it's ultimate.
Ultimate games. Yeah.
I think it would be what top what?
8. No, is it top 8 or top 16, something like that?
I think it's top 16 year event.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That way in September though.
Yeah.
I mean,
the Olympic was the same thing.
That is true. But I realized how much the Olympics out of my body though.
Yeah.
Bro, because I had Coach Rob, me and Coach Rob talking like, bro, from when I came to school in January, like I always had like a long summer. And I took the summer off because my freshman year I went to NACA. No, it wasn't NACA, I was in Costa Rica.
Yeah.
August or July.
Yeah.
Came back to school. I must see like 3 weeks off. Went back in the fall training. Came that sophomore year, I think sophomore year was when I made the Olympics.
Yeah.
And I was in like August, September. Had a month off, came back, went back in the fall training again.
Yeah.
It's just like it's too much long summers. And I think that my body just catch up to it last year. I think that's why I got hurt so bad last year.
Yeah.
B12s it was a tear in my quad.
Same quad?
No, not quad. Sorry, calf.
Oh.
Strained my adductor and my hamstring all on one leg.
Damn.
At
Which
B12s.
leg? Right leg?
This one. B12s.
Gotcha.
It's like, I think what I value a lot last year was just, I'm glad it happened in a sense because I actually get to sit back and actually like reevaluate things.
Yeah.
Actually sit back and actually rest.
Yeah.
I think rest is what I actually needed, bro.
Yeah.
Coach Rob allowed me to rest a lot this summer. So after I came back from knockout, I actually fractured my scap. Bro, I just feel like I was injury prone at this point, bro.
No, you're injury prone.
But I had a fractured scapula coming from knockout because knockout I fell over the last hurdle, fractured my scapula.
Yeah.
So I couldn't lift, couldn't run.
Yeah.
So I was out for like, I would say probably like a month and a half, almost 2 months. I came back in training in October, and Coach Rob, Coach Rob, he don't care. He put you straight back in the fire.
Yeah.
So I came back in the fire, and I think I just watched my body start to feel like so good. Like I finally get a relief. Like usually, like when I came back from training, or I came back from like meets in the summer, when I come back at the fall training, my body still feel like tired. But I just have that delusion in my head. Like I love to work. And when it's so crazy, like I don't know if you experience this being a Caribbean, but like we love to work. We don't like to sit out. Like
True.
if you injured or if you feeling something, you just keep my mouth shut, you soak it up and just continue to train. But I realized that kills my body, bro.
You think it's because you're getting older?
That could be a reason too. I think my body's kind of actually like fully developed now too. My body got to warm up and get itself going, but I just always take rest as punishment. So like, this you sit down, you watching everybody train, like, damn, this could be me.
Yeah.
It's just like.
So all right, then back in the day, Bahamas. Where did you get started?
Well, I actually started with baseball. Baseball was actually my first sport.
What I think Terrence told me this too. I still don't understand how baseball is like a sport in the Bahamas.
And Coach always say they don't play baseball in Bahamas. But yeah, baseball was actually my first sport. I actually wasn't good.
Really?
But I just had a passion for baseball because I had family members. My daddy played baseball and softball.
Did he play pro or just?
Just locally, like he's younger, even he's older.
Yeah.
And I had cousins who played baseball. So I just wanted to follow in that footstep. I mean, obviously, I was a musician too. Like, I played a lot of instruments.
Yeah.
Yeah, I played all the instruments, but baseball was my first sport. I started track. I'll say grade 7, but I was purely just a jumper though.
Yeah.
No hurdles.
That explains how you can do so well on jump test. Okay.
Yeah, I was just strictly just a jumper. I just
long triple, high.
Just long. Well, I did triple, but my favorite was long.
Okay.
And then I pick up hurdles like grade 10.
So you never tried like the sprinting, the one?
Started sprinting grade 11.
Shit.
I was around with 10.3, 20.9, 48.
Damn.
But yeah, I was just strictly a jumper. And
so how did you just pick up the hurdles though? Like,
I don't know. You like in PE. Track is the course for PE. They teach you all these different these different events. So hurdles was one of them. They're teaching us hurdles. And I don't know. I just fall in love with it, bro. I don't know. Like after that, I find a club back at home.
Yeah.
I just picked up on hurdles. I wasn't even good at hurdles either, bro. I was like 15 seconds.
You ever tried the 4 hurdles?
I just did 4 hurdles. I did 52.
Okay. Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, but Coach Rob wanted me to stop 400. I'm like, That's a different type of pain, bro.
I feel like you could do it well though, cause like you kind of strong.
But it's like, I don't know, bro. I can't. No? I mean, I wanted to try it, but it's like right now I feel like in where I'm at right now it's too late.
Yeah.
Maybe if I do it like sophomore year, then yeah.
I mean, also like we see a lot of pros right now that are doing off events like Femke.
That's true.
You know what I mean?
Because this is off year, you know how much big meets.
Yeah, but it's not an off year in college, so
yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was fun. I mean, strictly a jumper. I did 731 in long jump. After this day, I've been asking Coach Rob if he could allow me to long jump. He's like, no.
No, yeah. Nah.
I think it's the fair is him that if I do jump something big, what I'm gonna do now? Like
yeah, but you can't make any money from jumps though.
You think so?
I don't think so. No.
That's crazy. Field events don't get no
love. I don't think they get love nor money, bro.
Like, you have to be like the best of the best.
Yeah, like probably like Tara, bro, and she's like active, like winning every single thing, bro. Like
even like the throw, I think is Ryan Krauser.
Yeah, the big dog. Yeah. I don't know. I wouldn't actually do. I would do jumps for like fun, but like not for like an event. Because even remember, he used to coach Blessing Makapari, and she was a predominantly jumper.
Yeah,
she started running. Yeah, I mean,
I think jump. If you could jump, obviously jumping is a lot of plyos. I feel like people who long jump naturally should be pretty fast.
Yeah, true.
Because like I say, jump is a lot of plyometric stuff.
So do you like plyo? Yeah.
I like the plyometric Coach Rob do, like standing long, standing triple, and the box jumps.
Yeah.
I think they're kind of good.
Yeah.
But for jumps, when I used to jump, we used to do a lot of penultimate stuff in the sand. Like sand work, I think it's good.
Yeah.
Coach
I don't like sand work, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's terrible on the quads, man. It's like lactic acid for nothing.
That's real, though.
Yeah, bro. You just get a lot of lactic acid, bro. So, you went to any Carifta? I mean, obviously you went to Carifta.
Yeah,
when did you just like start like going into
meets?
Yeah.
Carifta? I went Carifta my last year in high school. I was in Jamaica actually.
Really?
Yeah, it was the last.
You didn't make any teams for that?
Like NACAT at Costa Rica, but they wasn't like nothing really.
Yeah.
Oh, I actually the previous year of my high school, grade 11, I made World Juniors was in Kenya. That's the year Sasha, Zoya, and Vishon. I made it was in Kenya. I think Shamar was there too. But I didn't make it out the heats. I ran like 14 in the heats. I'm like, damn, I gotta come back next year with vengeance.
Were you like afraid or something?
I've heard too.
Oh.
So I had a lot of quad injuries. There's always strain left, right. It's because of my technique though.
What?
You know,
your technique looked like
good now though.
Yeah, probably.
Because I had no other. But like my coach is back at home is a technical coach, and after he keeps seeing me getting hurt, because I transferred from a different club to him. And he's still trying to break me down and try to teach me how to run like correctly.
Yeah.
And so I just run like a lot of box-sided, leaning over. I still kind of do that a little bit now, like leaning forward, but I had a lot of strain, so I was going from this quad to this quad, this quad to this quad.
So that compensating kind of thing? Yeah.
And so now I actually had to learn how to run properly, and that's when I stopped getting hurt a lot. Not a lot now, but yeah, I had a lot of strain, quad injuries.
So your first Carifta was in 21?
It was June. It was like right after COVID.
Yeah, 21.
So it's in
Kingston. Yeah, I think at 21.
It's my first ever Carifta.
Yeah.
I was always like short or shy from making the team.
So how you go from like not making the team to breaking national record though? Like that's a big jump, bro. Like there has to be.
But it all happened in 1 year too, bro.
Really?
That's the same year in Jamaica. Like I just come off an injury of my quad that same year too. Because I did qualify with 100, the 200.
Yeah.
And the hurls. And the 400 actually too. I was the only person who was to go for the 400.
Yeah.
And they told me the night before to run the 400, but that's beside the point. But like that year was the year, like almost a breakout year for me.
Yeah.
And what's so crazy is that I had the capabilities to do it, but I always this was stopping me.
Yeah.
And I always was chasing times, bro. Like I knew the national record was at 13.6 at that time.
Yeah.
And so I was going races like, I need to run faster than 13.6. I want to break this record.
Yeah.
And obviously, when you tell yourself you want to do this, you want to do that, it never happens.
True.
And so coming down to the end of like when I actually my last like trials, I was like, you know what, let me just run.
Yeah.
Forget it. 13.4.
In the heat semis? Heats?
It was one round, 13.4. 13.46.
Damn.
Right the junior national record, and then that same year when I went to World Juniors.
Yeah.
13.3, 13.3, and 13.23.
So which one I prefer more, the title or the time?
At World Juniors?
Yeah.
The title, bro.
The title.
That means a lot, boy.
Yeah.
That means a lot. And then for me, it's just like I think I was one of the first male to do it.
Really?
In the Bahamas.
From Bahamas?
I think.
Probably.
Don't quote me though.
Yeah, probably.
I think it's okay. I'll say for the hurdles for sure.
Yeah, probably.
So it did mean a lot to me. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I thought I was on the top of the world, boy.
I mean, you probably were. What you talking about?
I came to school and feeling on the top of the world too, bro.
Yeah.
And I think that's what kind of helped me a lot my freshman year.
Yeah.
I was like, genuinely thought I was the man, boy.
I mean, you were honestly, but like, why Texas Tech though? Like,
you know, it's so crazy. I committed to Auburn.
I couldn't see that. If you said Florida, I would have said okay, but like Auburn.
I committed, not signed, committed to Auburn.
Yeah.
But it was like before World Juniors though.
Oh.
I had ran 13.6 at that time.
Yeah.
Before World Juniors. But you know, like when coaches they clear house, when a new coach come in, they clear house and they bring other coaches.
Yeah.
And so they said they didn't have that much money for me. So I just decommitted. I'm like, damn, I gotta open up, try to find some more schools, and that's why I started to run fast, and that's when people started. You know, most of my offers came after World Juniors.
Of course, bro.
Most of my offers came
on, bro.
And you know Coach G, bro.
Yeah.
Coach G, when he called me, he called me after I ran. I don't know how he get, probably TJ. He called me after I was on the phone for him for hours.
Yeah.
But he laid everything out to the point I didn't know questions to ask.
Listen, bro. I can't wait to sit down and talk to him because let me tell you, I don't think there's a better recruiter than Coach G.
Bro, Coach G, bro. I ain't lying. Like, you don't have to ask no questions at all, boy.
Yeah. He knows everything. He knows everything, man. I can't wait to talk to him, man. Yeah. That's gonna be something.
I don't ask no questions. Like, he planned out everything. Like I had my visit like quick. I swear, like the next 2 days, bro. I'm like, damn, boy. Yeah. I don't know. Like, to me, it's like, I feel like that was sincere. Like, to me, that was sincere. Like, I feel like other coaches or who was recruiting me, I feel like, Coach, you just hit the nail on the head for me. Like, I didn't have no questions to ask. When I came on the visit, it just feel like home. Yeah. And obviously, seeing TJ, I was like, shoot, so why not? Yeah. But if I said him, just why not? And you know, people at home was like, why you just Texas Tech? Yeah. And mind you, I didn't know nothing about Texas Tech. Really? But I didn't even know TJ to go Texas Tech. Yeah. It's probably Coach G also. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. And then I was like, you know what? I think for me, I should sign you. And up to this day, I don't regret it at all. Yeah. I mean, it's a good school. Yeah, I've been here for 4 years. So. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good school, but like the area is just boring, right? Boring, bro. People always ask me, would you go back home? I'm like, I mean, I wanted to ask you that too. Are you thinking about staying here or staying in the U.S., not even just Texas? Yeah, staying in the U.S. for sure. But it's way more opportunities over here. Yeah. Like, when I go back home, I won't say it's corrupt, but it's like... I mean, listen, Shawnee was here. That's true. Stevie was here. I mean, he's still here too. Yeah, true. Stevie still... I don't know. Yeah, I think he... In Florida. He's in Florida? Yeah. I saw Shawnee coming back. She look good, nice. Boy. Yeah, bro. Bro. But I want to go back home. Like, one over there is too expensive. Yeah. Like I said, over here is just way more opportunities for me. It's better. Like, if I go home to train like for pro, I have to find a gym. Ain't no gyms at home, man. Like this. So we have here. Yeah. I need like a good gym with a lot of resources. I don't have these stuff, and then you have like find a therapist that's good. Yeah. And then some of them therapists would be overcharging you. It's like because of who you are. Yeah. So it's I'd rather not do that. Even when I go home for Christmas break, I can't stay long because I'm like, bro, I just can't do anything. Like I could train, but like in terms of like weight room, can't do nothing in the weight room. Coach Scott or Coach Raw have to give me like alternatives to do because they don't have the Olympic lifts and stuff in there. Yeah. So it's like, that's one thing. Like. Bro, even the other day I was telling Tony, like, the convenience, bro. It's and everything free, bro. Bro, yeah, bro, and they make it so nice. It's all laid out, bro. Like, oh my. But do you want us to dream, bro? Yeah, no, for real. The dream, for real. Nah, I tell you, like, but when you win the gold medal, how would that feel? I mean, I understand they say you feel like I was on top of the world, but like, how was the reception in Bahamas? Nothing really, bro. Yeah, really? Nope. Yeah. Nope, bro. See, and that's why this was so sickening to me too. Like, but Caribbean is politics now. They only care about people. I mean, but it's gold. I think if I win gold, like, you know what I mean. You know our culture junking, right? Yeah, we have junking too. Yeah. So usually they have like, say if like, you know, the big dogs do good, like, you know what I mean. And if they do good, they'll have a junking rush with them coming when they reach the airport. Yeah. Junking over there for them. Bro, I came home. No one. The only people was there was my family, bro.
Dang.
Nothing.
Yeah. At least your family was there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But like things like that, I feel like they don't value it as much as I do. Or like it should be valued. You know?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Let me ask you this though. Would you ever switch allegiance? Hey, it sounds like it. I don't know. Don't have to answer, you know what I mean? But like,
bro, I ain't even gonna get into that, bro. But
yeah, nah.
Like I say, it is corrupt though.
Yeah, it's very corrupt.
I don't know why I like that though, but
I don't know. Like even Jamaica, bro. Like I hate the fact that we know it's corrupt. Everyone knows it's corrupt.
and they want to try to fix it, right?
No. It's just the same thing year after year, generation after generation. And it's like the people that are in charge are just like getting older and literally not leaving, bro.
But and the funny thing is, bro, you run it for like, I don't know if it's the same for you, but I feel like you also have to prove. You go into meets trying to prove.
Brother, your fitness and, brother, let me tell you something.
But they do it for like teams too, like say you qualify and say you get hurt, like a meet or two before the actual big meet.
Yeah.
Or you get prove fitness. I mean, I get it, but like, dog.
Bro, Jamaica have this thing where it's like, if you train overseas, you have to prove your fitness against the local athletes.
This is so annoying.
Like, time speaks for itself, but it doesn't. Like, but I didn't know like Bahamas had to deal with that.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, considering like you guys are the top guys, so like, what's the, you know what I mean? What's the hold up like?
But I think they don't consider me as a top guy. Let me put it like that.
Really?
Telling you.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, bro.
So you think Nancy Terrence is a top guy?
Yeah. Not me though.
What's the difference?
I don't know. You tell me. Shoot, me.
Terrence hasn't won a title. No offense, but you know what I mean. Terrence never won like a world title.
Me and you in the same boat, bro. I trying to figure the same thing too. Like, bro, I feel like I always have to fight. Not fight, but like prove.
Yeah. So
like,
as the national record holder, senior and junior.
Bro, like okay, if they do anything for like a voting, it's like say okay, what team coming up? Not Ultimate Games, Commonwealth.
Yeah.
For us, it's like Commonwealth have to be like, because obviously it's different sports too. They ain't gonna carry us a select few.
Yeah.
Of athletes.
So if they feel like you're not gonna make the final, they're not bringing you.
That and then too, they can pick their favorites automatically. And unfortunately, I'm not a favorite.
How can you not be the favorite?
Bro, I'm not, bro. I'm telling you.
Who's? I can't think of anyone. Okay, what about 1 year? Is 1 year considered like a favorite? Maybe it's the event.
Huh?
Maybe it's the event.
Think so?
Maybe. I don't know.
I don't know, bro.
I don't know. Okay, what about this? Remember the guy named Samson? He used to run 100. Mm-hmm. Was he a favorite? Mm-hmm. Not when I event, brother. Brother, no offense to Samson. I know Samson. We run together. Samson is not Terrence nor 1 year nor you. Like, I don't know. I don't know Bahamas, but that doesn't make sense to me, bro. I don't get that.
Every day trying to figure out, like, I feel like you also have to prove to them, like, why you should be, like, considered. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but no, if you...
But that's so annoying, bro.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Every, like for example, I made the Olympics.
Yeah.
And I still feel like, in certain things, they have, like, these certain, like, federation, but they vote for people to be, like, on X, Y, and Z.
Yeah. Didn't you win an award the other day?
What award?
I thought you won an award the other day. Am I tripping? Did you not?
What award?
Something from Bahamas.
Unless I don't be paying attention.
Wait, you had a collab with something from Bahamas the other day on Instagram. Yeah.
Oh, no. I know what you mean. That's my club.
Oh, okay.
That's my club. That's my club back in.
Oh.
And I nominated the award to someone.
Oh, okay.
So I was a senior.
Yeah.
And I nominated a junior.
Oh,
like best male athlete of that year, like that.
Yeah. So you have a lot more power in the club. That's interesting.
Nah, people in my club respect me now. I feel like the athletes do though, but I just feel like the upper heads.
Yeah. I don't think it's a thing with like manners, cause you're very manners, bro. Like, why? Nah. That's weird.
Yeah, I feel like I respect people. I don't bash nobody.
Yeah.
But I do speak up though, like.
Maybe that's obviously what it is.
Obviously I'm a senior now, like. In certain aspects, if I don't like it or if it ain't right, I speak up and say it. But I don't think they like that fact, though.
Yeah, no. That's how corruption continues, though, bro. It's funny that you go through that, though, because you're the best. You know what I mean? When it comes on to Bahamas, you're the best.
You might be how can it be the event if you have if they favor more than one person in one event? Whereas it's only me. I won't say only me.
And that me I say. Like, I don't know,
bro.
Because if I think of Bahamas hurdler, I don't know what to think about. You know what I mean? In all honesty, like I don't know. What's like the closest to your record, like the senior record?
I ran 13-2, something So the senior record is right now is 34 or 33.
Yeah.
The closest to me was like, legally it's probably like 1354 or
Joke thing that, brother.
1345.
Brother, joke thing that, dog. Brother, a joke not going, brother. Joke, no, a joke thing that, dog. Big man thing, dog. Blame
I have the junior and senior too, though. That's what's so
yeah.
crazy.
That's
Both,
crazy, bro.
both to be the indoor one too.
That's crazy, bro. What's the indoor record? Who was that?
I tie is 49.
Is that?
No, Zah, I think he's from Liberia, but
Liberia.
it's Shamar Sons.
Oh.
He had the junior, senior, and indoor
The
one.
long jumper?
Shamar Sons. He's a hurdler. I think he used to go Auburn.
Oh.
Years ago though.
With what did you say years ago? Like Akeem Namir? Or a long time ago?
No, I think it's
In recent years?
no.
No?
It's probably either the senior as a Kingdom or before that.
Yeah, man, I made a talk, man.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. And he usually have rock around
Yeah.
goatee. Yeah, man, remember him, man. I thought that was Zaza, my
No.
bad. Zaza used to go to Auburn too, right?
I think so. But
Maybe.
Zaza ain't from Bahamas, he's from Liberia.
Yeah, my bad.
But he had the junior, senior, and the indoor one. I tied the indoor one with 49.
Yeah. What is he doing now?
I don't know. I ain't never seen him before.
Oh, really? Dang. That's crazy.
Yeah, I don't know. But
Yeah.
I guess time will tell though.
Yeah. So, all right, back to the Texas thing. Freshman year, you feel like you're on top of the world. I would feel like I was on top of the world because at that point, no knock to Caleb, he was not the guy. You know what I mean? But like, when you do realize like, yo, this isn't gonna be like smooth sailing as I kind of anticipated.
Oh, though, freshman year.
Really?
My first meet.
Where was the first meet?
First Texas Relays.
Oh. He
Yeah,
got
boy.
real.
I got a real road, but I got 13-2 on my head that day.
Who that?
Devin Brooks. It wasn't +6 though.
Yeah, it's Texas.
But no, though, still though, 13-2 and +6, that's a lot of wind behind you. Though. You know how hard is this to control that?
Yeah, strong.
I'm like, oh boy, this gonna be rough. Come back next meet, 13-8. That's just that Baylor.
Yeah. That's a nice track. I like Baylor track.
I don't like it.
Really? I like it.
My favorite tracks is not Tom Jones, but Florida track.
Florida? Yeah.
I like Arkansas one too. A&M,
Yeah, I like
A&M was a
Arkansas.
good track too, I feel like.
Yeah, I never tried. Oh, yeah, I did compete on the A&M one. I got hurt on that one, so I don't like that one. Yeah.
Yeah, that's my huge Sacramento.
It's regionals, bro. You have to like that track.
That track, I like that track. That track is fast, I feel
Yeah,
like.
yeah.
But yeah, freshman year was the year I'm like, oh boy.
Rough.
Rough boy. In O'Donnell? I'm like, who shoots? You know what 13-8 is, boy? 13-8, I'm like, oh. And that's when I started like panicking too, bro. And you know what's so crazy?
Really?
I do not trust Coach Rob.
You know what? I'm telling you something. You know, say even though me hear some of them on them attack, and I never say the same thing. I say at this time, yeah, because I don't know. Well, I do know, but like in my opinion, Coach Rob is like your boy a suit, brother. It take time. You see me? Like he's a good coach, but I feel like he works better the second year because every athlete he's had, in my opinion, is second year. Divine Oduro, Courtney, Caleb,
AJ.
You see me, AJ? Like you know what I mean? Like you do good the first year, but the second year, brother. Knee up on the hammer, bro. I'm not telling you lie. But it's a thing you have to learn.
Patience too, though. Like I didn't trust Coach Rob. I swear, I didn't trust Coach Rob until after the Olympics.
What?
I'm telling you, he might not know, but he probably do know. But yeah, I could be honest, bro. Like I was just this stubborn person. Like okay, obviously I had a coach back at home.
Yeah.
Who was like, when I say technical, he was technical. That's all he like preached.
Yeah.
And he used to give me like certain cues, like a lot of cues. Give me
While
a lot
you were
of-
here, or when you were back?
Both, actually. But it's okay, watch this. Coach Rob would send me a video. I would forward that video straight to my coach back at home. And so I was hearing two different things.
Yeah.
And it's like, I think that was messing me up too, because obviously that shows I didn't trust Coach Rob.
Yeah.
I feel like it's actually hard. You just come off a high of just winning World Juniors. You know what I mean? Like it's just hard for me to trust a whole new coach.
Yeah.
And so that's where I was at, bro. I didn't trust Coach Rob until after I came back to my junior last year.
Yeah. That's interesting because, me I wonder how Daniel feel. I wonder. Interesting. Go through. Yeah.
I didn't trust Coach Rob. I didn't trust Coach Rob till after I came back from the Olympics.
That's wild, bro.
And then,
That's wild. That's a long time, bro.
And I feel like it showed though. you see why though. I mean, not see why, but you see. When I did start trusting Coach Rob, you see like the performance, how drastically it changed. Because I didn't run 7.5. I didn't run 7. My PR was 7:59.
Yeah.
For 2 years. Because I didn't run 7.5 at all sophomore year.
Yeah.
I started trusting Coach Rob after I came back from the Olympics. 7:52.
That's fucking crazy.
13:23.
That's crazy.
And
So even though you see like everyone's running fast, blah blah blah, no trust.
okay, I did.
No, I know what you mean, but like.
Yeah, I did touch him, but it's like in terms of like giving him my full like boom, like.
That's wild.
Nope.
That's wild,
bro.
bro.
I swear, bro. After every rep or every like race, meet, video, sending straight to my coach back at home. You'd be on the phone, talking.
This nigga don't coach you, bro. No offense, but like.
The thing is, he was trying to push me away too. Not push me away, but like let me like. He keeps saying like he said you need to trust. You need to trust Coach Ross. Only way for you to get better. Yes, I got you to be fast as a junior.
Yeah.
But he's gonna make you fast on a different level. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And so I was like stubborn, bro. Like.
Yeah.
But he just let me go, and I was like, you know what? I have to like find a way like to get better, bro. Like I keep losing.
Yes.
So it's like flip. At one point, something got to click.
Yeah.
And so I'm like, you know what? Let me just trust Coach Rob. And then that's when I started to be in my head a lot, though. So Coach Rob to be not afraid, but he's never given me a lot of feedback.
Yeah, but that's like his personality, though.
Yeah, that's true, though.
Yeah.
And I always be the one like looking for feedback. Coach Rob, how was this practice? How was my practice? I swear after every practice.
You feel like you're needy?
Not needy, but it's just more of an assurance thing.
Okay.
But I learned how to stop that
you can
last
swear,
year.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah. I stopped that garbage last year.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, like, I'm not dumb. When it comes to like what I need to do, I know like right from wrong.
Yeah.
I think I'm technical too. I know.
I think you are too.
Because I coach high schoolers, and I feel like I do a good job of that, like teaching them cues, teaching them what they should do.
Yeah.
And so like I just gotta learn and trust that too. If Coach Rob tell me something, sometimes Coach Rob tell you some stuff.
Yeah.
And you be like, what do you mean? And he's like, I need like more context, but I have to like figure it on my own.
I mean, you could ask him. I feel like he'll tell you.
Yeah, he'll tell me, but sometimes you still be like, huh?
Yeah. But
like I just pick up on stuff on my own to the point he stopped sending me videos. Yeah, he don't send me videos like that no more.
Damn. It's probably better for you though.
Yeah, he said he don't even be watching me.
Yeah.
It's because he's like he think I do a lot of things correctly.
No.
Like this is if anything I need to fix, is more of a reminder thing. It's small fixes too.
So what do you feel like is like these small fixes? Because you opened up.
Execution.
Yeah. Oh, that's a fix? You consider execution as a fix?
Oh, I mean, in terms of fix, in terms of like something I need to constantly remind myself to do.
Yeah.
Let's stay tall in between the hurdles. Because my last 3 years, I always was crash. Every time I come down, my hips sink. You know, for like these high hurdles, you have to keep your hips up.
Yeah.
And so that's a reminder for me. Like, and then learn how to like keep my foot moving, shuffle in between. Because last year I had to be running in between the hurdles.
What do you mean?
Like when I come up the hurdle, I just constantly just trying to like I'm just still leaning forward, trying to run into the next hurdle. And then obviously 110. So as the race started to go by, like 6 to 10, you start to get closer and closer and closer and closer. So now like this year, I was trying to learn how to get off the hurdle and create room. I feel like it's been helping me. And then I tell myself too, like, bro, I ain't glad. I don't now where I'm at right now mentally, but I don't not care who line up against me.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know what I know exactly what I need to do, and I know exactly how to do it. I've been doing it in practice.
You know who you are too.
But all I gotta do is execute, bro. When I execute,
yeah, nice.
And the thing is, the 749 race was even like a clean race.
Yeah, I know.
It was still, I won't say it wasn't sloppy, but it was sloppy, but it's a lot of like things I didn't do in the race that I've been doing in practice. So I know once I clean up, it's gonna be even faster.
Yeah.
So like. And I think I don't put no time on myself. I mean, I have goals, but it's like, right now, I'm winning.
Yeah.
Winning in my mind is winning. Trying to get to that finish line first. Like,
true. That's all that matters, bro. Ultimately,
competing, executing. I don't care. Like I said, I don't care who line up against me. Whatever y'all run in the past, you gotta run it against me on that
today.
day.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. So who's your favorite competitor from here and then elsewhere?
Favorite competitor from here is Mali, obviously.
Really? Over Caleb?
Oh, that's hard. Damn.
Yeah.
Do you mean like all my years here?
Yeah. Not like, no.
That's hard, bro. I feel like them too.
I
think them two hold the same weight.
No. I think, okay, I don't know. I don't really like, I don't have enough time to like come and watch Malachi. Malachi to me, no knock to Caleb, is more talented than Caleb. Caleb, brother, the man make you lose. Caleb to me is like Courtney hurdling. He's just a hard worker.
Yeah, okay.
Malachi, that nigga is talented, bro. Like, he can, like, do it, but, like, I don't know how it is, like, hurdling with him. You know what I mean? I would choose Caleb personally, maybe because of the bias. I've seen Caleb, like, compete and whatnot, but, like, Malachi is talented, bro. You know what I mean? That's just how I see it.
Well, Caleb is a positive person. Malachi is a positive person. All two of them kind of pushed me when I trained with Caleb.
Yeah.
He pushed me. He always wanted the best for me. But I had more like conversation with Mali in a sense.
Yeah.
Like I said, to me, I spend more time with Mali.
Yeah.
Than I spent with Caleb. Caleb was always older than me.
Yeah.
I talked to Mali, I be around Mali more than I was with Caleb. That's why I think I picked
Malachi.
me and Mali.
Yeah.
Kind of have a lot of conversations together.
Yeah.
So it's like, that's why I'm like I say, no. Caleb was actually a good teammate though. I actually do value him.
Yeah.
In terms of like, I spend more time with Mali.
Yeah.
So I think that's why I picked Mali. But outside of that, I don't even know.
Yeah. Okay.
Probably like when I Grand Holiday them.
Grand Holiday.
I like stiff competition, bro. I don't know. Now where I'm at now, it's like I won that, boy. Like I was actually upset. No, I'm upset, but it's like damn. I'm like damn. I missed out competition at Arkansas.
Yeah.
But it is what it is.
Yeah.
But like now I want like real deal competition. I want like the dogs.
How you think conference gonna be though? You think it's gonna be like easy money? Obviously Malachi's there, and then the Houston guy, right? He's good. But how you feel about it? Because you're leading right?
Yeah.
Conference. Yeah.
I won't say easy money. I know I gotta get after it.
Yeah.
And I gotta execute, but I don't think nothing is easy money.
That's true.
Because the reality of the sport, like you gotta show up on that day, like.
Yeah.
So like I say, some people run bad on the regular meets, but when it matters the most,
show up.
They show up. So it's like
that's true.
I gotta show up too.
Yeah.
So I won't take nothing that's easy. At the end of the day, I still gonna go there and compete my butt off.
Hell yeah.
You know what I mean,
it's gonna be fun watching though. But let me ask you though, did you feel like you're gonna be coached by Coach G? Because I kind of want to go back to like when you say you didn't trust Coach Rob. Do you feel like you wanted to be coached by Coach G at that point?
I don't know. I'm very coachable. Like,
how can you call yourself coachable if you don't trust the coach?
Okay. When I do trust a coach,
yeah.
I'm all as in.
Okay.
But to be honest, but on my visit or even when I was coming here, I didn't even know who Coach Rob was.
What?
Coach G recruited me.
Yeah, I know Coach G recruited. I thought you would have.
So I thought Coach G was like the sprint coach.
Yeah. No, let me tell you. Well, he'll tell you himself. Like, he's good, man. Yeah. He's really good. But I thought he was here. I thought Coach Rob was gonna be here.
Coach Rob was here.
But you didn't know that he was a sprint coach.
Yeah.
That's wild. That is wild. Do you feel deceived?
Not really.
Yeah.
That don't matter to me.
Yeah.
But
did you know Coach Kelly?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, I know, but Coach Rob was just like, I thought Coach G was like
the guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. I mean, he is the guy, but like I know what you mean. Yeah.
I just know when Coach Rob watches this video, like, damn, he didn't trust me.
Yeah, that's okay. If he watches it, I don't know. Yeah.
But yeah, bro.
That is kind of wild, though. I thought you would. Considering, like, seeing these have every year someone has, like, won a national title under him. That would make me trust him type shit, you know what I mean? But
damn, I wasn't even thinking that way.
To me, that's all that fucking matters.
I wasn't even thinking that way.
Yeah.
But you see how much I grown and get mature in the sport as the years go by, though. I think things happen for a reason, though.
Yeah. You believe in, like, karma?
Hell yeah.
You do? So things don't happen for... I guess that would mean things do happen for a reason, then.
You don't believe in karma?
Not really. I guess that is like cause and effect, you know what I mean? I feel like what you put in is what you get out.
That is true too.
Yeah. I don't know. Like coming here in America, I've changed a lot in terms of like how I thought about things, bro. Like,
seemed like I had no other choice.
Yeah.
It was a culture shock, but then again, like I had to like be okay with a lot of stuff.
Yes.
I be trying to tell some of the people back at home, it's like, wait, at the end of the day, you just gotta be okay with it. Where that's just not normal nowadays.
Yeah, bro.
Everything, things that we back at home like we don't think is right, it's normalized over here. Bro. Yeah. And we just gotta be okay with it.
Yeah. You just have to like live and just, isn't it? Like it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. It's a different system over here entirely, bro. It's like the Wild Wild West.
Facts though.
Yeah, bro. It's wild, bro. But how you still like grounded outside like track and field?
Bro. Good. I feel like I'm coming to mind that the Lord had to call me to be. You know what I mean? Like I had over the years I had to find a life outside of track.
Yeah.
I glad I got in a relationship with Adrian.
Oh, nice. Shout out to Adrian.
Yeah. And then I glad I pick up on different hobbies. A lot of things I do is now I journal a lot.
Really?
Words of affirmation, aspirations.
Yeah.
I write like in the journal.
Like your own or just like an app?
On my own. I have a actual journal.
Yeah.
So I write things, like say about whatever happened in practice, I take the positive stuff, I write it in that. And then say like before I meet, or like going into the meet week, I read that.
Yeah.
Just I try to reflect, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then also I pick up a hobby, DJing. You know what's so crazy?
Yeah.
I'm very glad I started DJing or find a life outside of track, because a lot of people get lost, bro. Identity lost, bro.
Bro, let me tell you, bro, so the first year that I went pro, before I even signed with whatever I was signing with, the shoe deal, that's the first year I started living on my own. Bro, all I thought about was track all day. YouTube, algorithm, track. Bro, I was in my head every single day, bro. That shit is crazy, bro.
I think that's the reason what killed me over the last years, bro. Because you know this, bro. I practice, wait, go back home. I literally go in the shower. I think about everything that happened in practice.
Really?
Bro, I tell you what, eat, sleep, track, bro. Like I come home after workout, I'm like, damn, I had a bad workout. I'd be like, damn, that was a good workout.
Yeah.
Or we watch all the videos. I go back from like years ago, watch videos.
Yeah.
Like, damn, I need to do this in practice next week. That's how it was.
Damn.
To the point where I lost myself and I started overthinking, started getting overwhelmed.
Yeah.
I think it's when I started like, I won't say everything started to crumble, but that's when I started like watch myself just be like almost like a plateau. I feel like I wasn't progressing.
When you say you feel like you're like crumbling, do you feel that like at the start line or before you like were racing? Like when did you start feeling like, you know what I mean, like I don't feel like Antoine anymore?
After almost every meet.
Really? So it's not before the meet, it's like after the meet?
After the meet.
Okay.
But once I pick up DJ, I'm like, when I come from practice, I go home, do like a little mix for like an hour or two, or go on the game.
Yeah.
And then by the time I finish that, it's time for me to go sleep.
Yeah.
Wake up, school.
Yeah.
Or I even go and then DJ is not becoming so much of a hobby to the point where my algorithm, like you say, it was track for you. It's not DJing.
Yeah.
So now I be watching videos on DJing. I'm like, okay, shoots. And I even started trying to pick up on trading too.
Really?
Nice. I ain't started yet.
Yeah.
But it's like that's something I'm interested in. It's probably gonna be something I venture in soon.
Yeah, yeah.
And so I be trying to like watch that, trying to study that a little bit.
Yeah.
And so now that kind of keeps my mind off track too.
So what kind of, I don't know how you DJ, but like what kind of like music you like to like?
Right. So right now it's like for me, like obviously I'm Caribbean, so I like to like dance. So I feel like that's one of the easiest thing to do. Because
same with them.
Yeah.
And you know it.
And then Afro beats. I'm trying to get back. I'm doing rap now, but I'm still learning. But I don't know a lot of. I thought I know a lot of music, but I know a lot of rap, bro.
It's coming out. There's a lot of music that's out there, bro.
That's like
so much.
I feel like when I DJ, it's like damn, like every day I look on TikTok, it's a new song.
Yeah.
Like I gotta download this, but down so it's like I feel like I know it.
Yeah.
If
you feel it, bro.
Yeah,
you feel it, bro. Yeah.
And then I know all the new rhythms that coming out. It's easy for me to mix. It's like I'm trying to get into rap because obviously I'm in the States now.
Yeah.
That's the only music they hearing. If I can't go to party in Lubbock and try to
play dance.
Like they don't know that music. So like for me right now, it's just trying to get better at rap. But I be mixing Afro, any music to be honest. But mainly, my last couple mixes was dancehall.
So how often do you play?
I DJ. I DJ at Clouds. It's a hookah lounge. So I DJ there every Saturday.
Oh, nice. Wait, what?
Not every Saturday, but.
Okay.
Like when we don't have a meet.
Yeah. So
even after meet sometimes.
Yeah. So like we know in Big 12s party at Clouds. Makes sense.
But yeah, now the team got a personal DJ, they ain't gotta hire a DJ, or they ain't gotta like go to our party when they have a DJ, when they just DJ for me, you know what I mean?
True.
But I kind of like I said, glad that's the next side job, it's the next money, I can make money from that too.
True.
And then I coach, so it's like.
So that means if you're getting like blackballed from, okay, I don't want to use the word blackball. You're not getting as much representation in Bahamas. That means NIL is like non-existent for you there right now. Yeah. That's crazy, bruh.
And the next thing, I don't think nobody back at home is vouching for me.
I mean, if they're not listening to you, no, like that's actually the crazy thing, bro.
So that's why I gotta run fast on my own.
Yeah.
Get an agent and get a deal, because I don't think nobody vouching for me back at home. And you know what's so crazy? I feel like time speaks for itself, bro. Like
should. And
this is kind of crazy too. Like I wonder, like sometimes like last year I was thinking, like, damn, I wonder why nobody reaching out to me.
Yeah.
win the World Juniors, run this time, run that time. I mean, obviously I win nationals, I win.
Yeah,
but I think that means a lot too.
Yeah,
though. That holds a lot of weight. But like,
it's a national jersey, bro. Come on.
But in terms of like time and like junior national record and
Senior national record.
so I mean, like if you being honest, like 9 times 10, he always gonna make a team.
Yeah, not even 9 times.
I'm trying to figure like, damn, I want to reach out to me. But it's like, I think last year that was kind of like something was always in my mind too. Probably 9 times 10. Probably like, well, I was running to my true potential because I always had in mind like I need to get an NAL. I was trying to get something. I need to get something.
Yeah.
Time ticking. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's just.
So I pressure myself without even not even knowing. And this now I just like, don't even care no more. Like.
Yeah. That's bro. As long as I can relax, bro, you'll run fast, bro. That's just kind of what it is, bro. Like what they say here, like relax speed. Like that's some real shit. Because if you're like tense, you're going nowhere. You're going nowhere, bro.
So that's why I still don't care. I think by the end of the day, bro, it gonna happen. And when me used to tell me too, like she kind of, cause I could go pro from old high school.
Yeah, I would imagine. Come on. Like,
and then she's like, she kind of glad, like even like I had a conversation with her, like probably a couple months ago. We had a conversation. She's telling me she kind of glad I didn't.
Yeah.
It's because when some people do get it, they kind of get complacent.
Yeah. Yeah, it's easy to get complacent.
Yeah, so it's like I kind of glad I'm still working towards that.
Yeah.
So I think when I get it, I can value it even more.
Yeah.
Because I had to wait.
Interesting still though, because I'm here like thinking like 1 year has something, Terrence had something, that a Bahamas girl, Jumba, she has, I think, Puma in it. Like, that's crazy to me. I'm like, no, man, you do something, bro. There's no way you don't do something.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro.
That's crazy, bro.
I ain't do nothing.
That's crazy, bro.
But I think it could stem from me not going pro as a high schooler, saying no.
Neither did they. So it's like, I mean, I don't know. I don't get that. I don't get that at all, bro.
But hey, when the time is right, the Lord can make it happen, bro.
True. So you're big on faith, Christian?
Yeah, like I said, I read my Bible, like journal.
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all be watching me on Instagram, but I always posting like some type of motivational message, probably like almost every morning. Something like I'm a firm believer on like faith.
Yeah.
That's gonna take you everywhere, bro.
Was it this year? You got into that more this year? Or just
I was always like that.
Yeah.
But not gonna lie, like during high school, I was under that like heavy.
Really?
Sophomore, like in school in freshman year, I let that go, bro.
Yeah, I mean, there's so much. First of all, it's a new environment and there's like so much going on, bro. Like,
I won't say, obviously I still believe in God, but like I wasn't doing like my duties and I wasn't doing like prayer. I wasn't praying like how I was supposed to be praying. I wasn't journaling.
Yeah.
And I was like, after I saw how my freshman year go, I said, I need to get back into this.
Yeah.
So I started doing it all over again.
Yeah. So do you feel like a leader, captain on the team now?
Yeah.
Yo, are you the captain? Is there a captain on the team?
No, we obviously Coach Rob. I mean, he probably he already know who it is, but he not going to, how some schools put that C on you and like, he don't do that. But obviously, everyone consider me as the leader.
Yeah.
Or captain, per se.
How do you feel about that?
I feel good knowing that some people on the team look up to you, or they want to be in the same position you're in. You know what I mean? A lot of people kind of ask me like, what did I did when I was a freshman? Like ask me certain questions.
Yeah. And
it feels good to me to actually answer them.
Yeah.
And kind of like lead the way and give them a heads up, like what's to come over the years. So I mean that's good.
What's like your biggest lesson you'd say like that you want someone to like know?
Your mindset, small details. I feel like a lot of people think like the way they think in life, it's not gonna reflect on the track.
True.
Okay,
true,
if you have this nonchalant attitude in life, you're gonna come to track and have this nonchalant attitude too. So it's
true.
Like for me, like I do everything with intention. I pay attention to detail. Like this might not make sense to you, but like every morning I have the same routine every day, every morning.
What?
Yes.
Are you superstitious?
Yeah.
You are.
Bro, like I have to wear a certain sock.
What?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no.
Bro, yes, bro. I wear socks with agent on it, and I wear Red Raider socks every meet. But this is beside the point.
Yeah.
I wake up, make my bed, take my vitamins, do the exact same routine every morning. I won't say the exact same routine, but like
within the same.
Yeah. And so like when I come to the track, it's just more of like the same attitude, intent.
Yeah. Wow.
So like some people some people just warm up like, say if a regular practice they warm up like, I don't care. I warm up like I about to run, like around the race. I warm up with intent.
Yeah.
And that's something I've been doing since high school. So I just keep that same energy. Like even in the classroom, like Everything is with intent. Like that's the only way I feel like this should be functioning too.
I don't do that. I did not do that in class.
But like for real,
yeah, what I mean. Yeah.
If you have this don't care attitude in life,
Yeah.
or whatever happens, or like or whatever.
I mean, that's kind of like
It's a good and
cool.
it's a good and a bad thing too, though. But like
I think it's more bad than it's good.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like, and then you go on the track. Which ain't gonna happen. It's the same exact thing. So I think a lot of people just don't need to, well, that's something I've been trying to preach to them to pay attention to detail. Like, just be disciplined. Discipline is the main thing for true, though.
So would you take like an athlete under your wing?
Yes and no.
Why no?
Well, for me right now, the reason why I say no, I still feel like a lot of people on the team don't respect me.
What? Hold on. Hold on. A moment ago, you're saying they see you as a leader.
Some.
Okay, on a scale 50-50, how do we feel? I'm 100%. How do you weigh that scale?
60.
Don't.
No, 60, like 60 do.
Oh, no.
But that's mainly the upperclassmen though.
Oh, yeah.
And like probably like one or two freshmen.
Yeah. It's a lot of freshmen this year.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's a lot of freshmen.
But
yeah, but it might be their attitude though, cause like they like.
But I wasn't like that though.
Yes, but a lot of them has like tons of followers, bro. So they see the world very unrealistically. Like, you know what I mean? A lot of them don't live in the real world. They live online. You know what I mean? So if you're not like Antoine Andrews running fast times all the time, meeting you is like, you know what I mean? Whatever. Because like, look at Ford. No knock to Ford. He wasn't a good hurdler, but he had fans because of the online stuff. That's kind of like how the next generation's coming in. They're all online, bro. So like they have, I don't know. It's weird to me. It's not weird to me. It's just, it's different.
I think a lot of them kind of misinterpret some of my message I be saying.
Really?
Like some of them think it as not necessarily I controlling them, but trying to tell them what to do, or being like.
So.
But it's just,
that's what a leader does.
And I think that's why last year I was trying to be a leader, but I'm like I just stepped back from it because I also like the fact that some people just either took me as being an annoyance, or they're saying you should try out, you're doing too much.
You're supposed to try though. I know what you mean, but
it's like this year I'm like, you know what? I don't even care, bro. At the end of the day, y'all either gonna listen or you don't. I can't get carried to the wall, but the well I can't make you drink it. And 9 times out of 10, like whatever messages I've been telling them or conversations I be having to them after like meets or something. Yeah. 9 times out of 10 during that senior, they can probably come the same messages with the other freshmen. So I telling y'all this now. Yeah. Y'all listen, but I promise you, 3 years from now,
you're gonna say the same thing.
Y'all gonna probably say the same thing.
Yeah.
But the bad truth of it is, some gonna listen, some don't. Yeah. But in terms of having someone on my wing, yeah.
You would? Yeah. I don't know if I could, but I could see you doing it. Cause like, in my opinion, you know how to win. You won before, but you know how to lose. Yeah. You know how to lose more than you know how to win, honestly. Like, I feel like you're a good teacher. Or you could be a good teacher, you know what I mean? If someone that wins all the time, like for example, I don't think, and no knock to Usain Bolt, he could be a good coach. He's just too good. To me, he's too good, bro. Like, what could you goddamn teach me?
That's fair. I mean, if you look now, if you look at coaches now, yeah, most of them,
yeah, terrible. Yeah, Coach Rob was terrible. Really? You know who? Oh yeah, he'll tell you. You know who was bad? Coach Hurston. Really? Oh my God, terrible. He'll tell you. That's why he's so analytical. Yeah, he was terrible. He was terrible, man. It's nuts. Coach Kinley, you can just tell. No knock. I'm just saying, you can tell they weren't super athletes, but they know how to coach. Glenn Mills, same thing. They weren't really good coaches, but not good. They weren't good athletes, but they know how to coach, bro. Because they've done the work, the groundwork. They know what it takes to build a house. They don't just come live in the house.
That's true though.
Yeah. Every
day when I coach these athletes, I amaze myself. I'm like, damn. Yeah. That was a good phrase just used just now. I actually feel like I do know how to coach too though.
Yeah, I mean, but you've done it.
It isn't my passion though.
It isn't? Mm-mm. Yeah, I don't want to coach either.
Yeah, but I don't know. But to me, I glad I did coach too though. Yeah. I do coach because it teaches me patience. Yes. For me, my PE teachers was to tell me you don't have no patience. If you tell someone something, you expect them to do how you would do it.
Because you're so good. That's what I'm saying. That's how I feel about really good athletes. It's hard for Terrence. I think he's a good role model. He thinks he's a good coach. I don't think he could be a good coach because he's so good. hit these markers.
Yeah, he would tell you do these
Yeah,
things and like.
I don't know, like you know what I mean, like.
But yeah, that's.
Yeah.
I'm glad I started coaching because it teach me patience. Though,
Yeah.
in the sport, it's because like I would tell someone, okay, dorsiflex your toes when you're coming out, so you can be more forceful. You're like, and they don't do it. I'm like, oh my god. It's like I feel like I'm a scorched record. Every practice I say the same things over and over, but that's how you get a coach.
Yeah.
Some people don't pick up on things right away, and some people do.
True.
And then, unfortunately, in my case, I was that who, like, Coach Rob could tell me anything once.
Yeah, that's
I promise
true.
you, my next rep, I can do exactly what
He was saying that. He used to say that. Yeah, he used to say that too. Yeah, Caleb was a little hard-headed. Yeah, I don't know how Malachi is. I don't know. I'm more hearing about Malachi from Coach Rob than like, actually like seeing how he is type thing. Yeah.
He's very talented.
Yeah, I fucking
And
know
then
that.
he's so smart.
Like book smart or like
No, when it comes to like
competing?
like hurdles,
Yeah.
he know everything about hurdles.
See, I think
He knows, and he trades too. He know everything about trading.
Really?
Like I say, if you feel passionate about something, he know everything about it. Like he studies that.
See, the thing is, and Coach Rob saying to stop saying this, but like I think Malachi's a better 100-meter runner than he's a hurdler. I don't know.
Why you say that?
I just feel like he looks better in the flat than he does over the hurdles. I don't know.
Coach Rob think he's a better hurdler.
No, yeah. Coach Rob thinks he's a better hurdler.
Like, he have way more potential in hurdles.
Yes, yeah. But I just think
He could sprint.
Yeah, I think he just.
I think he
so
run
much
10-0.
better. Yeah.
10-0 and 6'52"?
Yeah, well, hey, I mean, he's the coach. I don't see him enough to know like what he's capable of because like coaches see more than we see. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. He's the coach. He knows, but man, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I do want you to win though. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, I tell you, bro.
Yeah.
I be telling myself every time when I wake up in the morning in the mirror, I tell myself, bro, this is my year, bro.
Oh yeah.
And like the first meet is just an icebreaker, bro.
Yeah.
Like, you pass the lines, like, you saw the clock, I'm like, damn, I feel like I have so much left in the tank, bro. Mm-hmm. It was like, and I think that's why, I appreciate Coach Rob, value Coach Rob so much, bro, because not only did he learn me as an athlete,
Yeah.
but he understands me too, though. He grant me, like, okay, like, usually, like, I was an athlete, like, who needed, like, reps. Like, I needed to hurdle, like, almost every meet.
Yeah.
But now, like, he's let me, I swear, I only hurdled once. First meet.
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, yeah.
And then he's now, like, because now he rested me now.
Yeah.
I
You
want
like rest?
now.
You do?
I don't care about it. I don't like I used to like take rest as a punishment, like I said earlier.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
now it's just like, shoot, I just go sit back and just watch it. And shoot.
Yeah.
Because I just know it's gonna help me in the long run. Because I see it work before.
Yeah.
I see how good my body feels after I get a rest. Because like I
Yeah.
say, I can tell you like, Coach Rob give me tempo any day, every day. I get tempo 5 days a week. I'll be fine. But it's just that speed, bro.
Yeah.
I can't like that too much speed. Like that's just kill my body, bro.
Yeah.
And people always like I be asking us like, y'all think speed days hurt more than tempo days? It's like no, tempo hurt more. I'm like no. Bro, Tuesdays and Fridays killed my body, bro.
Yeah. Shock, bro.
But
And
Monday and Thursday to me is mental. Tuesdays and Fridays is physical.
Yeah. Yeah. Sprints is hard, bro.
But I heard it kills my body.
Yeah. Sprinting here is hard. I'm not gonna lie.
But like I said, he could put me on the bike. I still run fast.
Yeah, I seen Terrence do that shit.
Put me on the row machine, still run fast.
I hate the row machine. I rather do the row machine, bro.
Yeah, he put me on the bike right now, like.
Yeah.
Like, but I just want that, like, that first meet feeling.
Yeah.
Obviously, you've been resting, you've been come off person's break.
Yeah.
Now it's time to run fast. You just ready to run.
Yeah.
And that's the feeling like right now. I just can't wait to like.
Jittery, ready?
What?
Yeah.
But as I said, I can't wait. But like that's what I said, I kind of glad. So, I think Adrian asked me the same question, like, how you feel about it, like getting rest? I'm like, good.
Yeah.
I mean, at a point, I'm like, damn, should I get one more race under my belt? It's like, nah.
Yeah. Trust and believe. How does a team look to you national, not even national, Big 12s?
I mean, we do have a good group of guys, bro, but they just gotta want it, bro.
I agree.
They just gotta want it, bro. Like,
I agree.
I tell them, it's like, bro, I've been here for 4 years. I won Big 12s almost every year except that year in Baylor. We didn't win. In Texas. That team we had every year wanted to win.
Yeah.
I just feel like this year it's like, I don't have to be in D1. No.
Yeah.
I say like, bro, and they keep saying, oh, I'm a freshman. I'm like,
That
bro,
does not matter.
I'm Olympian, and I line up every day with these guys, and they still trying to beat me. They ain't scared of me.
Yeah, they don't care.
Okay, then so
They
like I
don't
say,
care.
why you keep saying like you're a freshman? I say, but I came to school as a freshman. I mean, I know what a freshman was, but in my head, I wasn't a freshman.
Yeah, there's no class, bro.
Isn't you know what I mean? You're just
class.
running, bro.
Yeah, bro. There's no class, bro. Yeah,
I said, when I be out there in high school, I got thrown out the window.
Yeah, bro.
That's out the window. Okay, so we starting something fresh now.
It's funny that you say that, considering you were the one that was listening to your
like,
coach back in the day.
That's what I told you, like but you can see the maturity and how much I grew over the
Yeah.
years. But that's kind of glad it happened too.
Yeah.
But that's crazy. Like, I think we're a good group of guys, but we just gotta show up, bro.
Yeah. I think
We got it. We have it. We got it.
Yeah.
We can do it.
Yeah.
Just gotta show up.
Yeah.
Just gotta show up. Like we have like I said, I don't want to say this. It's probably one of the best groups we have.
This is the best group.
This is
Though.
the
In terms of
best group we
talent
have.
wise, yeah, bro.
But they just
yeah,
gotta
bro.
believe that it is, though.
Yeah, because-
I do believe it is.
But it's also because like I feel like they're living on the legends back, bro. Like everyone has won before them, so like, oh, we're gonna win. You know what I mean? I feel like
Coach
that's
will be
how
saying
it
that
is.
too. Coach will be saying like, people come here and just expect when they put the double T on, they're just gonna magically run fast.
I mean that's kind of how it happens, though. I'm not gonna lie.
It is, but it's like you have to work for it.
Yeah.
Like I said, we will win. We could win.
Yeah.
Just gotta
You have to show up.
Gosh, gotta show up,
Yeah.
man.
And plus, it's home again, bro.
And people don't need to look at these regular meets, because whatever happened in championship season meet,
Bro.
it's totally different what happened in the regular
Bro.
meets.
I always watch SEC, bro. Like SEC, it doesn't. If you're like 10th or 11th before SEC, you might not even make the final, bro. Because SEC athletes, I don't know what happened during SEC week. The man them come and just start run fast.
Fast, bro.
Fast,
Fast,
Yo,
bro.
every year.
Fast. You see people run like 7-6? Come SEC 7-4.
Oh
I'm
my
like,
gosh, bro. I don't know
hell, bro?
what. I don't know how them do that, bro. I have no idea.
I just think it's a lot of them understand like the deload.
Yes, probably.
Like they deload like a lot, like a lot.
Yeah.
Kind of get ready for like these championship meets. I think that's what kind of like help them a lot too. 'Cause
Yeah.
I know some schools don't even lift. Like
What?
Like coming into like the meets, like championship meets, they
Yeah.
they don't lift at all.
Yeah, no.
I think we
definitely
still
lift.
kind of still lift,
Yeah, we still lift. Yeah.
but some of them just don't lift at all.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a fan of that. That
They don't lift?
That we still lift a little bit going, but I understand. You know what I mean? Like, cause like indoors, like whatever you want to win, but like I want to win for real.
Yeah,
you know what I
yeah.
mean? Like, yeah, bro.
Sometimes you just get your one thing though. I mean, like you
Yeah.
still go in the weight room, but it's like let me just lift this little blue. Or,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But we still lift, but some of them just don't lift at all.
I know. I mean, that's always been like the case, bro. Cause like I don't know, sprinters feel like they shouldn't for some reason. I don't know why. I remember back in the day, you know Jacoby, right? Mm-hmm. That nigga barely lifted, bro.
But he's strong.
I
though.
know, but like still, bro, you should lift, bro. Like
Strong,
my
boy.
God, bro. Like
TJ them always tell me the stories, bro.
yeah, no.
Him, I think he had like 405 on the squat.
Did he?
Like right, yeah. And I guess
The front squat?
Yeah, no, like the box squat.
Oh.
He took it off the rack, and I guess he like lopsided.
Yeah.
The weight that he dropped like this. He just
Damn.
lift it up and put it straight back on the bar.
Yeah, I was a football player running track, man. Yeah.
He was strong, bro.
Yeah, he was strong. He was strong, bro. But man, the team has changed a lot, bro.
Culture wise, personality wise, mindset wise.
Yeah.
I always tell the freshmen now, like all the people we had now.
Yeah.
But when I used to hear the year with Courtney them,
War.
bro.
Brother.
You think they worrying, but you won't laying on the floor?
War, bro.
But they'll be back on the line.
Yeah. War, bro.
I don't like, bro. We had Debo, Courtney, TJ,
Yeah.
Caleb.
Yeah.
Debo was just straight up as a dog. Like I think
little
he was.
pit bull, bro.
I think he was the leader in a sense.
Yes. True.
And then TJ was just that nigga who just run
Yeah.
fast every meet. Like you know what I mean? Like
yeah.
I want to say like let's say what role model.
Yeah.
Like, regardless of the outcome, he can run fast.
Yeah. True.
Same with Caleb and Courtney. Debo was
Yeah.
just that leader boy.
Yeah, bro.
He just be cursing you everywhere. Like,
Yeah, but I don't think-
get your sorry ass off this. Off the
But I don't
floor.
think they can handle it though. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I don't know them as much, but I don't think they can handle it. I don't think so at all, man. It's a different culture, but they They're talented. They can win. They should win. We will see. We will see what happens, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, man.
I do believe we're a strong team, bro. Like on paper,
bro, but like not even on paper because like on paper it's not looking good to me. We only have 3 people qualified, maybe 4 now, Siobhan, for nationals. Yeah. So on paper.
Okay, well, not on paper.
Yeah, but
like look at my face value.
Yeah. Easily.
If only they knew or believed, bro.
They know. And I think that's the problem, bro. Like, they feel like it's just gonna be like...
handed to them?
Yeah, bro. Them on them good, brother. And honestly, that's one thing I want to ask Coach Rob. Like, why so many freshmen? Because traditionally, I be at transfers.
Yeah, you only like transfers.
Yeah. But this year, freshmen across the board. Lots and lots of
on both sides.
Yeah.
But the thing is, the girls doing pretty good.
I mean, yeah.
You know, usually...
It's the opposite.
Now I'm trying to hurt nobody feelings or anything, but usually it's all the way around.
Yeah. I mean, maybe they wanted more. They got the taste of it. So they're like, this tastes good. Yeah, bro. It is wild. Any advice for any upcoming athletes?
To be honest, bro, just believe me.
Freshman athletes. Let's do freshman athletes.
When you come in that program like this, don't try to be a hero. Just try to be a sponge and just soak up everything you soak up. Listen to your peers, listen to your coaches, trust the program. Not expect things gonna happen overnight, but essentially just to stay down. Stay down and just wait your turn around. I promise you it's gonna happen. Stay patient, have faith. Like I say, just be a sponge. Don't come here to try to be a hero and try to save the day. Just play your role, be a sponge, and soak in what you can soak in.
What do you mean save the day, bro? You're supposed to save the day.
Yeah, but some people some people come in here trying to be like too much of a hero, bro. Like,
okay.
You know what I mean? Like,
I
just come in, bro. Like, soak in what you can soak in.
Yeah.
Just be patient. Just wait, bro.
Yeah.
Trust the program for sure, though. No, for sure. Like, trust the program.
Yeah.
I would say like what I think is I did, what kind of stood up to me is like I had a lot of faith.
Yeah.
I wrote a lot. I read a lot. I pray a lot. And things happen sooner or later. It might not happen right away, but when it matters the most, it happened. Like, shoot, my 4 years, I watched the things I prayed for 4 years ago.
Yeah.
It's not happening now.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I said, that goes back to my point, just being patient.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Antoine, I want to see you win, bro. No,
appreciate you, man. Hey, it's gonna happen, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Trust.
Bro, literally, I've been here for so long, bro. I need to win, bro. I swear.
It's gonna happen,
I swear, bro. Well, this did nice, bro.